Hello everybody, my name is Naveed and today we are doing column subtraction. Our first question for today is 9 take away 2. You can probably do this in your head, but for now we'll do it on here. So 9, 8, 7. Have we taken away 2? So this is 9, 1, 2. We've taken away 2. So our answer is 7. So next, 25 take away 17. So what you do is, you can't do 5 take away 7. So what you do is, it's not a 2 anymore, it's a 1, and then the other 1, because you take away 1, goes here, and now that is 15. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Have we taken away 7? 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer for that is 8. And then 1 take away 1 equals 0. Now we are on to our hardest question over here. 9 take away 4. 9 in our heads. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5 would go there. 8 take away 9. 8. You can't do 8 take away 9. Can you remember what I told you for this? Well, let's refresh. What you do is, it's not 7, it's a 6, and then that 1 goes there. So 18 take away 9. Hey, 2 times tables. 2 times 9 equals 18, and the 2 times table is doubles. So 9 plus 9 equals 18, so that must be a 9. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. Now 6 take away 2, I think you can do this. 4. And by the way, 6 and 4 are both number bonds to 10. At the top right corner, there shall be a white strip, and that'll be my number bonds video, and that'll come up at the end of the video. So these are some questions for you to try at home. I'll just move aside so you can see them. So I'll give you a hint for this one. Because you can't do 1 take away 8, you borrow it from the next column, and that is 7. So it'll turn into a 6, and that'll be 11. Thanks for watching. Bye.